Hello guys, what's going on? This is Asif and you're watching the Techtiper channel, and I'm back with another video talking about a new piece of technology called Google Home Mini. I'm sorry, this is a box. This is just a box. I'm actually using this from last few months. I was actually cleaning the shelf and I have a habit of keeping all the boxes which I have to review. So I saw this box, which means I haven't reviewed it. So here I am reviewing it after so many months. So now Google Home Mini was launched a couple of years ago. You may probably have watched a lot of reviews about it. So here I am talking about it because I'm out of content, like I told you in the previous video also. So I just want to get this burden off my chest to review this. So let's continue with the review. Now that I am starting this review, I need to throw this box. It is Google Home Mini, younger brother of Google Home, which is a little bigger speaker with a little bigger price tag. This one is for $50 or 2,500 rupees, and this pretty much works in a similar way. And if you need powerful speakers to listen to songs, you can always connect bigger speakers, external speakers via Bluetooth to this one. I have connected my older speakers. I actually converted them into Bluetooth using a Bluetooth dongle, and then I connected it to the Google Home Mini. So whenever I ask it to play songs, the songs play on the bigger speakers. So I don't need, and you don't need, Google Home just for that. Now talking about smart capabilities, using it as a assistant, Google Assistant. It is pretty useful. I have put it on my table where I work. So every time I need a piece of information, I can simply ask it, and 99% of the time it replies back with correct answers, like how far this place is and how's the weather and how to convert this, how many meters into centimeters, and what is multiplied by this is. You can pretty much do all the kind of calculations. And Wikipedia, it grabs all the information from Wikipedia, so you can ask it about people, the professions, countries, and so many things you can do, and you won't need to open your computer or turn to your mobile phone to get those answers. It is pretty useful. In fact, I was using so madly for the first few weeks. I don't use it that much now. I only use it to set reminders, like what I have to do later in the later part of the day at exact time. I ask it to remind me, and it reminds me, and I get a pop-up on my mobile phone. So, and this is pretty useful, and for the price you are going to pay, it is worth the money. Now this is something I also had in my mind before buying this. Like, your smartphone also has got Google Assistant. This one also has got Google Assistant. So what is the point of buying an additional piece of hardware when you can do pretty much everything with your Google's mobile phone's Google's Assistant? But sometimes I have myself experienced that the smartphone is kept a little far away from me, and if I try to ask it, it asks me to go there, pick it up, unlock, and then it will answer me. So it defeats the purpose why I'm asking it in the first place. I could have simply walked and picked it up and done with my query. And this, on the other hand, has got powerful microphones, so I can be anywhere in the room and it still listens to me and replies me back 99% of the time with accuracy. So it is pretty helpful in a lot of scenarios where your smartphone won't be as useful. Now let's talk about turning your home into smart home by connecting smart devices to it. I cannot give you a big demo because I only have one smart thing, that is the smart lamp, a smart bulb actually. So I can ask Google to turn it on. Hey Google, turn on the lamp. So this turns on, and this is pretty much it. I don't use it much. I just wanted to get an experience of this smart thing, and unless you do this to all your lights or fans or whatever, it does not make sense, because for all the other lights I will have to go and manually switch it off, which is just 2 steps away from me. So maybe I won't do it, but you can do it. You can turn anything in your home into smart device using smart sockets. There are sockets and plugs available. Like there are smart sockets which you can plug it into your wall socket and then plug coffee machine into it or any other machine, and then you can control it using your Google Home and set timers also, like set it to turn on at 5 in the morning. So when you wake up at 5, it already starts and makes your coffee if you're using it for your coffee machine. So similar thing you can do with the geyser. You may have to buy the powerful one, 15 ampere one for the geyser, but you can do pretty much everything in your home and turn it into smart home using these smart things. So final review is, it is pretty good for the money you are going to pay. So it is for someone who is in office, they want to automate their office. You can do it. You can use it in your home. And it is also pretty useful for kids also. I mean, kids can walk up and simply ask questions. Google will reply, no matter how silly the question is. So this is it in this video. I hope you liked it. You can like the button to let me know if you liked it, and you can dislike if you did not like it, and you can subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out our website also, techtipper.com, where you will find a lot of useful content to make your tech life easy. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.